Then we have the motel, and then wait, is that more moonshine drops?
Yeah.
Um. Wait.
Bro, where you at, bro?
I'm still in Grapeseed, bro.
How are you in Grapeseed, bro?
I'm trying to reread the old one.
Yo, Rex, bro.
Yo, what up, dude?
Went you
Hello.
like
I'm
Charlestown or something?
rereading it, and it
Yeah.
don't make sense to go
Do you-
where I
did you
went.
do these
I think
riddles
I
with
typed
them?
the wrong note by accident.
I think I only did one set.
Okay, bro. Do you remember an arc is needed to survive the waves? The animals are already on top, but you must be brave. An element of harmony is just a place the mouse hides the face.
I don't think so.
Okay, well, GG's.
That doesn't sound familiar to me.
Well. Hmm.
I think I did one that was like in Polito, bro.
We did 3 in Polito. And I swear the first one created a number 4, no? Like on the map?
I can't remember.
Oh my god.
No, but
Alright,
if
where you
I
at, bro? We're getting in the same car, bro. Cause you just going off on your own is pissing me off.
Alright, where you at, bro?
I'm driving the Grapeseed.
Meet me at the fishing spot.
why the fishing spot?
It's BOGO, bro. I don't know.
Of all places, yeah, let's meet where we start off-road, away from everything. Who hurt him?
Yo. Yeah, I'll call him.
So, like, who was around when this got solved the first time?
Flippy and then Lily, Alan.
And none of them are awake, right?
No.
And Bogo just decided, fuck it.
Yeah.
And is this timed?
I think you have to do it by the end of the storm, so not really.
Oh wow. He really thought he'd be smart enough.
Yeah, which is pretty funny.
This is where he sent us. For what reason? Why'd you send us to the fishing spot?
No, I like it here. I like fishing. I'm like 90% sure I picked up the wrong note because I'm reading back at it and that had nothing to do with what the old note said.
Okay.
Because I read 2 lines and assumed it was that place and got lucky. So I'm trying to think because it's Frost and Thaw and it says nature's poem. I don't know if it's like a waterfall. It might be water related, but I don't know any. I don't know. You guys know this one, right? The Frost and Thaw one. Do you have that one?
Yeah, that's the one that you brought us to that random like house near Sandy.
Yeah, I thought it was that because I thought it was the song part, but I think
I'm telling you, bro. We're not on the right the right ones. That fucking next one was way too far. Go to Chiliad, bro.
Harness going on. Harness check. Harness check.
Going up Chiliad, check.
What was the one before we got this one at the fucking pole or whatever? Or radio tower?
Before the radio tower, it was
Is the frosted one or whatever?
No, the radio. We haven't. I feel like we haven't gotten the frost one.
I know. So what was it before?
Oh, before it was Mount Chiliad. So we did Mount Chiliad. We did the gondola place in Polito, and then we did. Before that was the first one, which was the track.
I'm gonna have an
North
in.
You're just like saying nothing. You're saying stuff. You're saying nothing at the same time.
Am I
What do you
right?
mean?
Am I right? Past the Polito gas station was the first one. Yes.
North of the Polito gas station was
Okay.
the first one. Yeah.
Then it went left to where the tramway is, right? That goes up to Polito.
Yeah, the
Okay.
gondola.
Then it went up to Polito or up Chiliad, right?
Uh-huh.
And then that's technically where we left off until you found the note by Sandy.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the order that it went in. Also, here's my notebook if you need to see all the notes. In the glove box, Ace.
Will it all be?
It should all be in there.
Yeah, this is where we found ours, like right inside this metal thing here. Right here.
Did you do the metal slide one?
Got the metal slide one?
It was right here. I don't know what metal slide.
It's the fucking your crew waits at the metal slide. Like,
Oh yeah, this is the metal slide. I'm
a southern
assuming.
breeze sings a song where frost and thaw make nature's poem. At the edge where frost is where the light. The next clue, what? Something light.
Hmm. This is spooky up here. I feel like I would die.
What if it's the island, like from here?
I'm running down like the trail towards the lighthouse.
We're definitely gonna fall and die. It's guaranteed. Get to the lighthouse, which is in this direction. Searching for keys? Please have keys. Unfortunate. How far down did you go?
Shit.
Bogo, where are you?
Oh, I'm at the top. I don't know. Is it maybe on like the island's edge? I guess. I don't know. Like you know that little weed island that everyone always used to plant weed in.
Yeah.
That's the only place. This frost and golf
Oh,
cart just doesn't make
I don't
any
remember.
sense.
It has to be up here, bro. There's no other place with snow.
Do you check behind this little like guide thing? I'm assuming it's like the first place everyone checks.
I don't fucking know, bro.
You should take the car off road to like a place straight down from where we found, or where you found this one, like to the edge of the snow. Be to your right though.
He's sure, right?
Yeah, he said he was going towards the lighthouse.
Yeah, I went too far down the snow. Oh, pick me up. I'm ready for you.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah.
I know there's something like along this trail, either a wooden sign or a fucking or something,
Oh,
bro.
isn't there also the house here or whatever?
No, I don't know.
Slow down, slow down. Going a little too fast.
Is
If
it
it's not
maybe
this way,
that-
it's the other way.
Is it maybe this radio tower? We should check that first, and then we can go down, right?
Has that radio tower always been there?
No. 'Cause I don't remember it being there, but
Sus.
that is Nah, there's nothing here. Yeah, no.
Yeah, let's just keep going down the trail the other way though.
Yeah, the other way.
Or I don't know.
Am I blind? Where does the snow start?
There used to be snow here, but there's not anymore. I know what you guys are saying. You guys are saying the peak used to be snowy. It's not anymore. That's what I thought too.
You just keep going down that way.
Yeah. But like you see the peak, it's not cold at all anymore.
Yeah.
It's warm.
But still, that's the only thing that makes sense.
I guess. Excuse me.
Nice.
Don't go too fast, bro, because I'm trying to look for a little white fucking paper.
Once you be at the beginning little trail, bro, I'd fucking lose it.
Bro, this is so fucking stupid, bro.
I
don't know. It's something with the lighthouse, like being able to see it.
You think it's the mountain over the lighthouse that has like that radio tower and like a structure that is nothing? And then not too far from that, there's that little lake or pond or whatever? Or is that too far
I
off?
don't fucking know. This is pissing me off. I think we went
That's
too far down.
bro. I'm ready. I was already. What about here? Like to the left.
No, I think we went too far down. Bro, I'm telling you, like, the snow may not be there, but this was fucking 7 months ago, bro.
Yeah, I don't know where else you can go.
It's somewhere up there.
What does this have to do with nature's poem, though?
What the heck is nature's poem?
Nature's poem isn't anywhere in this riddle.
No, is it not?
Wait, no.
the one-
A southern breeze
is,
sings a
no?
song where frost and thaw make nature's poem. At the edge where frost gives way to light, the next clue beckons just in sight.
Just keep going.
That's why part of me thinks it might be that like an island where like the sea hits the island, but that might be overcooking.
Dumb question. Did you guys check the little bridge that people like throw people off?
No.
No.
But there's no other place with snow. That's why I'm like, that's why I'm stuck on it being up here. Like, it doesn't make sense for it to be anywhere else. It literally makes no sense to be anywhere else.
Yeah, spooky game soon for sure. Asmo, soon TM. I'm here.
I think if you think it's in Chiliad, try to think of like where the other places would make sense. Like the other parts of the riddle. Frost, like, okay, the frost and thaw we assume it's Chiliad, right? So just
Yeah.
like
And
where would
then
it? Where's the
something
southern
south or
breeze?
light or whatever?
Because like, I don't know, southern breeze. There's like a light. You sure it's not down the other way?
We could try the other way. You go back that way.
Hey,
No, I mean
check your
like the opposite
GPS.
side, like the west.
What about there? Is that a little like river that starts? Or is it just a ravine?
I think that's a ravine. No, there's no river in Chile. It's like that's a ravine. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, why would
hold
it
on.
be that color, not the off-road color like the one?
I'm gonna
Oh.
keep running all over this place and look for it, bro.
Oh my god.
Okay, we'll check the ravine then.
Right? Because wouldn't it just be the color of this trail? Don't get eaten by a mountain
I have
lion.
a gun out. I'm good.
Oh, there's one. There's one down the path. Be careful. No, 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 no. Do not give
Oh
it.
no, we're good. Just
Do
have
not
your
give it
harvest
any
on.
gas. Please.
You're good.
Oh my God.
We don't have gas, Ryan.
The
Silly.
gas pedal.
We don't. It's
Oh,
not a gas
this
pedal.
is
It's
fine.
a bat.
It's an accelerator.
No, wait. If it's here, Ryan, I will lose it. Cause this.
Is there
Is it-
water? No.
There's not.
No, it's
but I
just a
mean,
path.
but
Wait.
you did say frost and thaw. It is a path, but I hear water. It sounds wet.
It does sound wet.
Are we sure I'm even able to see this yet after fucking waking up?
No, you should be able to. You see, because it thaws
Well,
right
go
here.
up to like the
Yeah, the tippy topper.
yeah.
Okay, so this is technically where the frost would be. I'd say it ends about like here. There's no way it goes higher
Holy
up.
crap.
Don't look too much into it, Ryan. It's electric. Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy. Alright.
Okay, but what if it went the other way? You know how you turn left? There's a path. Like there's a path to our left now. Try going there.
Hold on. Hey, well, let's go down here and then we can check the left path. That's what you're talking about, right?
Yeah, yeah. Or like, wouldn't this be it right here? Like, isn't this where it meets? Wait, nature's poem? Isn't that like a... What does that even mean?
Don't know.
Because now that I just saw that, what if that's like the... What if it's like, I don't know. Hmm.
What does it mean? I don't know.
You see anything?
That's what I'm trying to look too.
Yeah, I'm legally blind. I can't see nothing. Could it really be out here in the middle of nowhere, not at like a... Oh.
I saw a bird.
Hi, JJ.
Oh, have you guys figured the riddle out?
Nope. We're just as
Oh.
lost as before.
What about the mouse one? You guys got that one at least?
Nope.
Oh,
Nope, there was nothing. Wait, Ogo, did you ever check the roof of the animal ark?
I didn't, but Sam should have been able to see it. So
Hmm.
I'm like 90% sure we were supposed to focus on this clue because I skipped a clue.
You
I
skipped
think
a
that's-
clue.
Yeah, I think I picked
JJ
up
Boga's the
wrong
worst
note.
person to do riddles with.
I skipped to the next
I
part
can
of the riddle,
imagine.
which technically would have been
Imagine.
good if it wasn't for, you know.
so he skipped the fucking clue.
Yeah, he skipped a clue apparently. And now we don't even know what clue, and we're kind of just winging
No, this
it.
is this
Oh,
is number 4,
okay,
but technically
well.
I skipped to another one.
Good luck, I
Yep.
guess.
I don't know
Yep,
what
gonna
step
need
though.
luck. We're up by Grapeseed if you want to come, but it's difficult when you can't see the note, you know?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna be probably planting other stuff at the Innocence. I'm just
Alright.
waiting. Jordan woke up, but he's thinking. So,
All right. Oh, wait. Would
wanna-
Jordan know?
I don't know.
Ogo?
Maybe.
What?
Would Jordan know
The-
these?
I don't think he did it with them. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to ask.
Damn. All right. Well, I'll give him a call and find
Wait,
out.
what if it's all the way at the end?
But, I think he's in his area now. That's why I'm.
All
I'm
right.
waiting.
Southern
I'll call him
breeze.
in a few.
Fine.
Appreciate that, Zap. Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
You think it's gonna be all the way where
I
there's
think it's
a
all the way
bridge?
at the end. It has to be.
Please.
Yeah.
Please.
I think you're right. It has to be.
Please.
But this is exactly what it is. It leads to light. Wait, this is actually no way.
Did you check on the road?
It's probably not on the road, but I'll check the road. It says the next clue beckons just in sight.
I can't see it, bro.
I don't know. You should be able to, because Sam was able to see it and I was able to see it, and I don't think waking up
Yeah,
affects
started
it.
when we were both woken up.
It could be a thing.
You guys were both awake, so I don't know.
I mean, if anything, I could just come up and see it.
Oh.
I want to kind of check across. What if it's like in the buildings by Sandy? I know this might be a fucking fry, but like, because it says the next clue beckon when the frost gives way to light, which technically the light would be out here. Then it says the next clue is in sight. So then it
I
would
marked
be a
it straight
frost.
across. Holy, you're gonna get us killed. Holy fuck.
Ryan, it's an electric car. It's not like it's gonna blow up. It's lithium.
Have you never seen a battery fire?
I've literally licked batteries before, Ryan, and it's never
I can
blown
tell.
up.
You know, it's starting
What
to
do
add
you mean
up.
you can tell?
Yeah, I can tell. Oh my.
Yeah, like what if it's like here?
Where I marked was straight across, which is that structure ahead.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I gotta take a phone call.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Ace, you get up there, bro. Coming. Wait, can you hear me, Ace? You Gucci, bro? Okay, I heard the radio click, so I was like,
No, I'm good.
I found rolled cash. Wait, how did you guys fix your pocket with the notes?
I'm back.
All right. I'm good. Sorry about that.
Okay. Wait, Ryan, the notebook paper shit, that just fixes on its own, right?
What do you mean? Oh, yeah.
Like if it scuffs?
Yep.
Yeah. There is nothing down south. So I'm scrounging underwater.
You must be brave.
I don't know, to be honest.
Wait, how could you hear him? What the heck?
Oh, I barely hear him. I just
Oh.
understand. He said, do you have to hit the cash change to get a sticker book? I'm pretty sure you do, but like, you know, I don't know how often the sticker books show up. You know, it might be a little lucky.
Hey Ron, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Jordan?
I'm pretty good.
Question. What the heck is all that? So I'm with
Bags.
Bogo, and him and Ace and Sam were doing.
That is questionable, yes.
Yeah, I know it's questionable. They were
What?
doing the riddle stuff for the Maze Bank. Do you remember any of the locations and where they were?
Vaguely. I probably would if I read the riddle again, but
So this riddle says a southern breeze sings a song where frost and thaw make nature's poem. At the edge where frost gives way to light, the next clue beckons just in sight. Does that ring a bell?
which one are you on? The first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one?
This would be third to fourth. Like the third clue leading to the fourth.
Ace, I'm crashing out, my guy. I can't lie.
Yeah, but I mean, there's three
It's the
different.
fourth clue.
There's four different.
thing.
There's four different things. Like each.
So the
You know, you
first
get
clue.
like the.
So I have
but
no
you get, like,
context behind this. Should I get Bogo to call you? Because he started
possibly.
this.
Did you
I
start
kind
in Polito?
Yeah, they did start in Polito, like above the gas station.
So that's the first one, but there's.
And then from
See, every time you hit the every time you hit the laundromat or the, I can't remember if it's the laundromat or cash exchange, they give you another book that has more riddles in it. And I think that's the first one.
Wait, so hold on, I'm gonna have Bogo call you because I don't even know what he had. He just started something, and I woke up in the midst of everything. I can't even see notes and stuff, so I'm gonna have him call you so he can tell you what he has, and then maybe you can help.
All right, no worries. I'll wait for him to call me.
All right, bye. Okay, call Jordan.
Yeah. What did you say?
Call Jordan.
You know where it is, Ryan?
Call Jordan.
I don't need it. I don't need it.
Yes, you do need the accelerator. You need the accelerator. We're gonna die.
Jordan, I'm crashing out. I need answers ASAP. Cheat sheet ASAP. There's multiple sticker books?
There's no way.
I remember I had one sticker book with 3 pink stickers.
There's no way he answers what. There's multiple sticker books? There's no fucking way.
Yeah, the first place was north of the Paleto gas station by like the trail.
No way.
The second place was the gondolas that lead up to, that's like right next to the hunting lodge. You know what I'm talking about? There's like a lot of bikes there. It's like an old oxy selling spot. Okay, and then the third spot was then the top of Mount Chiliad. So we're looking for the 4th spot.
Holy fuck.
And it's not the Animal Arc, and it's not the radio tower on Marina Drive. We know that for sure.
Yeah,
What's up?
Too bad. I'm trying to get into the Carson place. And you give me the keys and stuff.
Oh,
But
I didn't put you on the
too.
panel. So it's the locks. Shit. Text me your state ID and I'll go fix it as soon as I can.
I'm
I fucked up. Sorry.
so good. I was
Okay.
just confused why I'm lockpicking the
So it
door.
stays up and it doesn't
Yeah,
go
don't
towards
lockpick it, don't
Grapeseed or
lockpick
anything.
it. All right, sorry about that. I go fix.
So good. Yeah.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Like, what would be the point?
Ace, you alive?
Yeah, I'm running back to the top.
Okay, we're coming up there too.
We might be coming down. Never mind.
Ryan, we're electric, man.
What does that mean?
We ride the wave. Like, you know, we're just electric, Ryan.
Why'd you say we're just riding the wave?
It's because... Okay, it is... a southern breeze sings a song where frost and thaw make nature's poem. At the edge where frost gives way to light, the next clue beckons just in sight. I think that last line, because all the last lines have been where the note actually is, and the 3 lines are mainly what's important. Jordan
I tried
said,
looking for
Ace, that
keys.
it probably is gonna be near Paleto. Like, it doesn't go down towards like Grapeseed.
Oh no, 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 no.
Yeah,
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die. Okay, besides Jordan. Maybe it's like that dick over there.
That's called a peninsula.
Here, you can have your notebook back.
And Ryan, this is electric. It's a little mountain goat. Okay. So make sure you have your harnesses on.
Ace, do you have yours on?
Yeah, it's on.
At this point, bro, I want to take mine off and let the frost and thaw take. Okay, I think if it's southern breeze, it has to be at like a northern area.
Right.
So I feel like maybe we've been looking down south the whole wrong time because the sea is 360 degrees around us. So the only way it could go south and still be north is if it's at the top of the north headed south.
Hmm. Also, before you find a note, let's make sure Ace can see it, you know?
Yeah.
That's a repair kit.
No, I saw something in the floor.
That's a tree.
That is a
Yeah.
tree.
Okay. You see what I'm noticing now is that there's water below us, and this came out of the mountain.
I don't know. I think it's still on Mount Chiliad, but that's just me.
His feet are wet now.
Yup.
You got cold feet?
Yeah, I was wearing sock.
Yep. You're like a crazy person, you know? Willingly getting into water with socks and shoes on?
Have we checked the other side? Like going up from the lumber mill?
No, but I feel like this. Oh fuck, man! It has to be somewhere here. I know I'm gonna sound schizo, but I swear to you, this is literally because I'm going here. You know, everything's warming up. We're
This
by
is
the
north,
beach.
brother.
Yes, yes, yes. The breeze is going south. You're hearing the sound of the wave. That's nature's poem. Okay. I swear to you, it has to be here, like around here.
Oh my god, a deer!
The deer just straight up fucking ran into our car, by the way. You guys want to sell weed on the block? Maybe we're not meant for the. I just had to turn off my brain for a while.
Yo, what up, bro?
Why don't
Yeah.
you just check the peak of this?
Yeah. Yeah. Lumber mill. Alright, bro.
Is that lumber mill?
He's gonna meet us there.
Wait, who is?
Rex.
What the- Oh god, why didn't we just check the peak before we turned around?
Just...
We're gonna have to come all the way back.
It's too late now, right?
Wait.
You
Ace,
can't
where
go
was
back.
he? Where was he?
He's on his way up. He's not there yet.
Oh my god.
Just...
Can we at least charge before we continue?
Okay, yes.
Paul, leave me here, bro. I'm gonna go looking.
You said it's by the lumber mill, right?
I told him to meet us here.
No, but you said you also thought that it was on the other side of Chiliad, right?
But I didn't go that way, so I'm gonna go that way now.
Ryan, you got a gun.
Holy fuck. No, but I'd shoot you.
Here you go. Here's your chance.
No, it's fine. It's
Ryan,
fine.
I can't do this no more.
Yeah, I know. I don't
There's
think
no
you ever
thaw.
could.
There's no frost. And I swear, if this riddle has nothing ice related, I'm gonna fucking lose it. Oh, what the fuck do you want, kitty?
No.
It's eating the coyote. It's gonna eat it. It's gonna eat it, Ryan. Do you want me to let it eat it?
Yep, it's fine. Oh, it's gonna ocean dump itself. Look.
Oh, it's chasing after the coyote, Ryan.
No, it went. The coyote went right. It's going left.
I actually have the biggest.
Why
headache
can't
from
we
this.
phone a friend? Someone outside of Hydra who may have done this.
Can I phone someone outside of Hydra that may have not done it but seen other people do?
Sure. Who?
No, but
Okay. Do these blow up if you charge with people? Or you don't turn it off and you charge?
Ryan, it's electric. How's it gonna blow up?
I don't know. Have you checked in there?
No, I don't want to check in there.
How about I charge and you go check?
I swear if it's there, Ryan.
Ryan, what does this have to do with nature?
I don't know. At this point, anything works.
I was going manic, Ryan. I thought the beeping of that was the noise of a bird, and I was gonna be like, I hear it. I hear nature's song.
But what actually is nature's song? How can it be the ocean and waves if
Nature ain't ever drop a diss track, Ryan? How am I supposed to know? Has nature made any albums yet? Any hits?
possibly? All
How
right,
are
should
you,
be
John?
Phil.
Maybe a change in perspective would help me think, because me having to step on the gas, is making me think about two things at once when I'm only good at one thing at once.
Yeah, that's valid. So that didn't
I'm gonna
fully
stare
refuel
at-
it.
Yeah, that happens. So for some reason, sometimes the battery juices will fly out and you won't notice.
Oh wow, not the juices flying out.
I also don't have my harness.
Please put it on.
Alright. Is on. All right, I'm gonna stare at.
All
Word.
right. We're at the lumber yard thingy.
Is Rex there?
Hold on. What color is Rex's car?
He's just in a random local.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, this car has been there since forever. I'm pretty sure it's a local car, but
Huh. Oh my god. Like a glove.
Okay.
Oh my god. I think I just killed someone with the spoiler. All right.
Rex, we're gonna
Rex
crash
is
out.
here at the
I'm gonna
lumberyard.
crash out, Rex. Rex, we're gonna crash out.
What's up, bro?
Where are ya?
Why are you gonna crash out, bro?
I hate these riddles. I think
Ace, where are ya?
What does it say, bro?
is he dead?
Uh-oh.
Going up the hill.
Oh, that's a good song.
Oh my god. The Hills by The Weeknd. He's on the right path, Ryan. He's on the
No,
right
running
path.
up
That's
that
your song.
hill.
Going up the mountain. Going up Mount Chiliad.
He's going up Mount Chiliad. The
On this
hills.
side, though.
The hills. Ryan. Ryan, I swear to God, that was the way. And you just fucked it. Ryan, flip the car. The hills have eyes. The hills have eyes.
We
That's what
didn't.
The
We
Weeknd said,
didn't
Ryan.
need the. We didn't need the door.
The hills have eyes, Ryan. That's what I'm getting lightheaded. I'm getting lightheaded.
All right. Well, I'm flipping. I'm
Blood's rushing to
flipping.
my head. I can't feel my feet. I can't feel my feet. I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna pass out. My head feels like
You're
it's
gonna. You're
fall
gonna pass out.
I gotta pass out. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Oh,
I'm not
God.
dead. Right, the
That's not
blood
that
is rushing
serious.
to my head. It hurts.
Isn't that normal for you?
No. Usually my brain don't use this much blood.
You're right. There we go.
Who's that walking next to you? Oh, they running. Oh, they scared. Whoever that was.
Harness check.
Oh, my harness was on. You fuck.
All right. I'm following a random path up Chiliad.
Is the riddle in this book?
I think so.
See, Ryan, and you're worried about me driving like this going up a hill?
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm
Okay,
scared.
It's not
I'm
that
scared.
crazy,
I'm
right,
scared.
Ryan? It's not that good.
What do you mean? I went up the wrong way. I just got to put it in reverse. Duh.
Ow!
Oh.
My ass!
Don't worry. This is fine. Is this all-wheel drive?
I don't know.
I think so.
It does use all wheels to drive. Or else it'd be a bike.
Oh.
Is it the arc
Can you guys
needed to
pick me up,
survive the
bro?
waves, animals? This one? The one we're on?
Ping me. I'm 330.
Just drive up the mountain. Like towards Chiliad.
Okay, what if we're hypothetically up the mountain and it's not me driving, it's Ryan driving?
You guys are already at the top?
You're on a different.
No, not the top. I'm
no
just
way.
on a random
No, we're
path
on
going up in
75.6.2.
reverse.
What do you mean you're on?
Oh, it's the only path up here.
Oh,
Do you not
then,
hear us? Is your radio broken?
like from the
You yap
lumberyard?
a lot, Ryan.
Now I can.
Yeah. He was going up from the lumberyard, so go down, I think.
I don't know the one in the 8. Never mind. Never mind. I was wondering why I couldn't hear you guys on the radio. That makes sense now.
Yeah, the announcement one was not correct.
Yeah.
Wait, what was the announcement one?
576.2.
Yep. I have a feeling you went to the
I
wrong
think
one,
whoever
everyone
woke
went to
up
the
might-
right one, and you told everyone the wrong one.
I think whoever woke up first might be dyslexic.
You might be right. No, actually, Amika was the one who told me this radio when I woke up.
Maybe they switched. Maybe something happened and they switched.
Yeah.
There must be a different path because I almost made it all the way up and didn't see you.
Oh yeah. Ace, did you manage to climb uphill by any chance, like directly up? Because I don't know what path Ryan's going right now.
330, ping me.
Ryan, we know where he is. He's just not going the path.
What do you mean? Oh,
Ryan!
Guys, he's not responding.
you may have fallen and can't get back up.
What if he ran out of radio battery and he's gonna have to live life like Tarzan? Get up there, Ryan.
God.
No one wants to be Tarzan.
But he's not even like in the jungle. He's in like a mountain, bro. He's gonna have to like be a dwarf.
Where the hell could he have gone?
Okay, I
left.
found it, by the way. You fucking numbnut, but you should listen to me next time. But I'm running back down.
Wait,
It's
where
the
was
only
it?
trail. It's the only trail that leads up to fucking Mount Chiliad from that side.
Am I crazy?
I'm guessing this one.
I was right, but I was just on the wrong side.
So where's the frost and thaw?
It's not
Let me
here,
see
obviously,
no.
but it's the fucking mountain where it was.
Oh, I think I
Alright.
know where that one is actually.
Rex knew it the whole time.
All right, Ryan, I'm ahead.
Where is he? Oh. Oh,
I
Bogo's
only
dead.
got asked about the
Bogo's dead.
animal arc
Bogo's
one,
dead.
bro.
Bogo's
I
dead.
didn't get
Bogo's dead.
asked about Frost and Thaw.
I'm fine.
Oh, God.
I'm fine. I just pop an oxy and I'll be okay. I just pop an oxy and I'll be fine. That's how it works, Ryan. Not unless you crush me with your tire. I already had an oxy. I'm not hungry no more. Now I'm dead.
I'm
dead,
trying to stop the
Ryan.
fall.
I think
What is happening?
unconscious, bro. Oh, yeah, there he is.
Hey.
All right, I'll get him. I'm scared.
Ace, I know you don't want to hear this, but I'm pretty sure there's another path because we went up the only one I saw, and I don't
There's
see you.
literally only one path visible on your GPS that leads to the top of Mount Chiliad
Yeah, but I marked him.
from that side.
Oh, I thought you just meant a ravine, so I went up the ravine.
I would have said ravine.
But you said path, and this is a path.
That is not a path.
I almost made it up. Yeah, this is all Bogo's fault. You know, we could kind of just push him out of the car and pretend this never happened. Bogo, thoughts? Bogo?
Bogo?
Okay, I'm almost back down at the bottom.
I think to the left here. Yeah.
I hear you, I think.
This little dirt trail.
I see you, I see you.
There he is.
Okay, before we bring him to the hospital, the last riddle that we just got. Return to where your journey began, to the rock where memories spanned, by the bench on the hill. Your final clue rests.
Oh,
in the
I know where
fading
that
lights.
bench is.
Yeah, me
I know.
too, because I used to fucking herb there.
Oh, wow, how unfortunate.
And they said the first clue was behind the gas station, so it's over here.
Oh, let me unmark that. Was this one like on the path by Chiliad, like where the snow like meets the
There is no snow.
side?
There's no snow. The snow melted, but it
there's
was
no
there.
snow Oh, okay. Yeah,
So,
I actually
like-
knew that one, but I didn't know the animal arc one.
Well, the
okay.
the only reason we got that one is because Bogo went out of order. Honestly, this has been the most peaceful of all of this.
What, him being down?
Yeah. He jumped out,
Sounds about right.
fell down half a Chiliad. I tried to block him with the car, and then he said I was the
also
one who
lost
got him